I believe Bitcoin has hit the local bottom. To the moon we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. I believe Bitcoin has hit a local bottom and I think we should start going up from this point. Over the last couple of weeks, Bitcoin has been trending between $28,000 and $29,000. Ethereum between $1,700 and $1,800. It pretty much stayed in this range the entire time. A lot of people were predicting that Bitcoin was going to go even lower to $20,000, possibly even $15,000. Personally, I do believe Bitcoin is going to touch these numbers later on in the bear market. But I believe right now it has hit a local bottom and we should see a nice reversal going forward. So personally, I still have a ton of crypto positions that I'm down big time on. And I believe this reversal is going to be a nice one. Probably a little melt up before we start trending lower once again. I personally believe we are in a full-blown bear market and Bitcoin can go even lower. I believe once we are at the real lows of this bear market, Bitcoin is going to be around $13,000. And I believe that will be the all-time low for Bitcoin in this upcoming bear market. But that does not mean that we are not going to have rallies in this bear market where we can make some profits. And I believe right now is a great time to make some trades and make some profits. Also, guys, if you have some projects that you do not plan on holding for the entire bear market, this might be a great opportunity to sell some of those and cut your losses. I believe this little melt up that we are about to have will present a great opportunity to exit those positions. And that is exactly what I'll be doing with some of my positions as well, especially the ones that I'm down big time on, that I do not see them recovering in this bear market. So that is what I'll be doing in this melt up. Also, I will be trading some Ethereum to make some quick profits. But guys, make sure to do your own research and be very careful. Bear markets are extremely risky and we can have a nice little run up before a massive crash. None of this is guaranteed. This melt up is not guaranteed. We can go lower tomorrow. It is very unpredictable, but I believe we have hit a local bottom and we should see a nice reversal going forward. Also, do not FOMO into this rally. This is definitely not the end of the bear market. And as always, do your own research. Smash the like button, not financial advice. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And see you in the next video. Peace out.